Hey everyone, I'm going to do a really quick video today and show you how we assemble our trail mix. This is actually something that legitimately used to give me like fear of trying to make it. Oh, I can't make my own trail mix. It's not that easy. It takes expensive ingredients. For us, it doesn't. I just put a combination of things that we wanted in our trail mix, and this is something that like for a budget trail mix for us. So the first thing that we do is we picked up these sun-dried raisins. It's a 20-ounce container. We also do dry roasted peanuts. Whenever we can make it to Aldi's, we'll get the sea salt ones, but we can't make it to Aldi's right now, so the Food Club ones work just fine for us. And this is a 16-ounce. And then we do a bag of the 60% cacao, which is a little bit darker chocolate. If your family doesn't like dark chocolate, switch to the milk chocolate, but our family likes dark chocolate. We also keep our chocolate chips in the freezer because it gets really warm here in the South during the late spring, summer, early fall, so basically most of the year. And it keeps the chocolate chips from melting and it keeps them fresh. Once we get done making the trail mix, we actually store it in our snack drawer in our fridge. So I'm going to open all these up and dump them in individually. Alright, so here is our container of raisins. And I'm just going to try to do this one-handed and dump it all in. I do the raisins first because, as you can see, they usually come out as one giant clump. So I put them in the bag and then I just kind of start breaking them apart before I add anything else. So next I have the peanuts open. I'm just going to dump them in. I don't always add all of them, but right now we seem to be going through trail mix quite a bit for our snacks, so I am going to go ahead and open it, and later if I feel like I need to add more raisins or chocolate chips to it, I can. Lastly, pour in the chocolate chips. The reason I add them last is because, hold on just a second, there they go. The reason I usually add these last is because I don't want them to get over mixed and start melting as we're pouring them in, so that's why I put them in last. And I said over mixing, but I usually mix the peanuts first, but I actually had my battery almost die on my camera, so I had to go and then came back and forgot to mix them in first, but it's okay. So these are pretty still well frozen. So next thing I'm going to do is literally just like shake the bag up and mix it up. And there we go, and that's it. Then I just portion it out. I do about like half a cupful to 1 cupful per person per snack time and dish it out, and we're done. So that's it for this video. It was a quick and simple little just throw together 3 ingredients. Doesn't have to be hard. Like I said, for me, I was always, you know, just so caught up with the fact that I thought that it would be too hard to do my own trail mix and would just buy my own until I started doing this, and everybody loved it. So now we switched to just doing this for our trail mixes. So that's it for this video. Share your trail mix recipes in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.